Micron is a 45,000 strong employee worldwide. We are the top 3 memory producer in the world for use cases like electric cars, handphones, laptops, and many other electrical equipments that you never think of. We want to create training contents that has better knowledge retention versus the conventional training method. So a VR format of training is introduced in Micron. We allow the team member to experience the actual situation, the actual tools, the actual equipment without even the need to be inside the fab itself. So there's a lot of time savings over there.
When I first started using Uptale, I found it very smooth from the point where I took videos to uploading it onto the software, actually trying to showcase how the Micron fab looks like for someone who has not stepped into the fab. There's no code to it. We are just trying to plug and play, and it's very easy. There are so many different features that we had.
At Uptale, you can create your own VR experience or training with 3 simple steps: storyboarding, shooting, and integration. So we start out by planning and creating the training content using Uptale's storyboard templates, followed by using a 360 camera to capture the real-life environment, making VR training as realistic as possible. And finally, with Uptale Studio, we integrate the footage along with the interactive elements to create an immersive training or experience.
VR experience was very engaging and it was very immersive. It makes learning more fun, and it also helps to retain my knowledge better as compared to, the traditional way of just reading off from a PowerPoint slide deck, for example.
I think VR training provides an immersive and engaging learning environment, allowing trainees to practice skills in a safe and controlled settings. It also ensures the consistency, standardized training with immediate feedbacks, enhancing learning retentions and understanding. VR can simulate complex real-time scenarios such as fire hazards that are difficult to replicate in the traditional training environment.
We have thus far created about 40 to 50 experiences to date. The fab tour, the manufacturing related training, and the safety related training. As of today, we have 5 sites that is VR ready. It is an expanding program, and we are purchasing more and more equipment and software from Uptale to enable this use case.